Today, we're going to show you how to leverage AI to bring a new level of organization and efficiency to your project management. We'll be focusing on two of the most popular tools, Notion and Trello. As a virtual assistant, you're constantly juggling multiple projects, tasks, and deadlines for different clients. Keeping it all straight can be a huge challenge, leading to missed deadlines and unnecessary stress. But what if your to do list and project boards could think for you, helping you stay organized, on track, and ahead of schedule? This is the power of AI in productivity management. Tools like Notion and Trello are no longer just static databases. They have integrated AI capabilities that act as your personal productivity assistant. They can help you brainstorm, summarize, and even plan your projects with minimal effort. This lets you focus on the valuable, high impact work that truly makes you an indispensable virtual assistant. Let's start with a practical deep dive into Notion's AI. Its features are built right into the platform, making it feel like a seamless part of your workflow. Our first use case, outlining a new client onboarding process. Instead of spending time manually outlining a project plan, you can simply use Notion's AI. I'll provide a clear prompt. Brainstorm a list of steps for a new client onboarding process for a virtual assistant. Include sections for discovery, contract signing, and project kickoff. In seconds, the AI generates a clean, comprehensive list of actionable steps. This is a massive head start. Another powerful feature is summarization. Imagine a client sends you a long, messy project brief in a Notion page. Instead of reading the whole thing, you can highlight the text and ask Notion's AI to summarize it. It will instantly condense the brief into a clear, concise summary, highlighting the key action items you need to focus on. This is a huge time saver. You can also use Notion AI to write content directly in your tasks. Let's say you're managing a content pipeline. You can open a task card and use a short instruction like write a clear task description for a social media post about AI for VAs. The AI will provide a detailed and clear description, helping you move from an idea to a fully planned task in seconds. Now, let's look at Trello. Unlike Notion, Trello's AI functionality often comes from integrations and powerful automations. Trello's secret weapon is Butler, a built-in automation tool. Our scenario: you're managing a content pipeline. Let's add a new card with a simple title like AI and email marketing blog post. 。 Now, we'll set up a simple butler automation rule. We'll tell butler when a card is added to do, automatically add a checklist. This helps you make sure every new task has the subtasks you need to get started without you having to add them manually. This helps you move from an idea to a fully planned task in seconds. So, when do you use each tool? Think of Notion as your go to for deeper text based work like outlining, summarizing, and writing. Trello's strength is in its visual task management and seamless automation. By integrating an AI power up, you can streamline your workflow and keep projects moving forward. By integrating AI into your productivity tools, you can automate the mundane, time consuming parts of project management. This allows you to stay organized, meet deadlines, and focus on the valuable, high impact work that truly makes you an indispensable virtual assistant. Start experimenting with these features today to see how much time you can save.